Hello guys, my name is CryptoStep. Today we're doing a crypto analysis of Bitcoin. Today is 23rd of July 2019 and now Bitcoin is in a corrective state. If we analyze the trend is bearish, but the macro trend is bullish. So what to do if to reverse the bearish state we are now? We need to break this high, $11,100, which will make a great trade because this is a pattern which is called inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, the head, this is the right shoulder. But also, if we look at this is also a head and shoulder in a inverted head and shoulder pattern in a bearish state. We don't know which way the price is now, but the must-follow zone for me is the daily close, the swing high from here, which is the 10,000 here. Also, if we make a Fibonacci analysis, that coincides with the a very great buy zone if you want to get the best price. And also on the daily, the 55 EMA here, the 9,000 something, $9,900. That confluence makes me great potential buy zone for you want to hold. But if you want to be safe side, this the break of resistance of $11,100 is the key resistance that if you want to go bullish again, we must do it in the near future. But we can see that on the 1 hour on the indicators we have a higher low and this is a lower low, but the indicator says that this is a bullish urgence because we got a lower low, but the indicator says that trend is bullish. And also, if we see in the 4 hour, we have a doji, potential reversal sign. Look at this doji. If you bought this, you will be 20% profit, and we need to make a full divergence also on the 4 hours. So this to be great, the indicator must put like these dots upper side. We should have a breakout of the resistance. But if it makes like something like this over high, that's a very bearish Bitcoin. So if we break this support, the next target is this 1272, like 8,800. Excuse me, $8,800, and after that the weekly EMA, which is about 8,000, and that's the basically it. I use hyper indicator, which Moku star or parabolic star, and free moving average. Reason, that's my indicator list, and that's my strategy. The next potential short zone on higher high is also the $10,700, and I'm planning to sell some of Bitcoin here with a potential profit of 4%. Not bad. So that's my strategy. For Bitcoin to be bullish, it needs to break this resistance. To be mega bullish, it needs to break $11,100. That's my take on it. If you have any questions and if you want to comment, please comment below. Like, share, subscribe on my channel. That's that. Peace next time. See you soon.